Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this equation from trigonometric ratios. Prove that 1 over cos squared theta minus cos squared theta minus sine squared theta over cos squared theta is equal to sine squared theta. So let us just look at what we have on the left hand side. So on the left hand side, what we have is 1 over cos squared theta minus cos squared theta minus sine squared theta over cos squared theta. So all we need to do to prove this equation is to manipulate one side. In this case, we're going to manipulate the left-hand side of the equation to see if it will result into what we have on the right-hand side. So first of all, we're just going to combine these three terms. So for us to do that, we're going to take all of the three to be fractions, in which case we're going to combine them. And the first thing you're going to look at is the LCM. So you're going to look for the LCM for the first one, the second one, and the third one. In this case, the LCM is just cos squared theta. So cos squared theta goes here once. So 1 times 1 is 1 minus 1 goes into cos squared theta times. So cos squared theta times cos squared theta, that will be cos to the power 4 theta minus cos squared theta goes here once. So 1 times sine squared theta is just sine squared theta. So what we need to do in this case is rearrange the numerator. So we can rewrite it as 1 minus sine squared theta minus cos is for 4 theta over cos squared theta. So if that is the case, we can now see that we can rewrite the first two terms as a single term. So from the trigonometric ratios, if you have sine squared theta plus sine squared theta, that is the same as 1, meaning we can express one in terms of the other. So we can express